Next up, we're going to insert a table. To do this, we're going to start with the table tag, which is like so. And then we're going to have a table row tag. And on the first table row, we will be inserting a table header. Again, for good practice, we're going to use the indent, and table header is just TH. And for our character, we're going to have two table headings. We're going to have eyes and hair. Just make sure there's no space between them. Then on the next table row, we'll have our table data. Again, we'll indent TD for table data. And as always, we close our tag. So let's take a look. I'm going to save that and run it. So you can see I've got a basic table here, but I want to put a border and do some more formatting with that table. So I'm going to go back into my notepad. And one of the first things I'm going to do is give my table a border. So where I've got my table tag here, I'm going to write border equals 3. A line in the center. Again, this is American spelling. And I'm going to make what's called cell padding and make that 10. And the width 50%. Okay, that's ready for us to see. Save that again. Go back. Open it up. You can see I've now got my table. We can see that the table border is 3. If I make that smaller, then the table border will be thinner. And the cell padding was 10 here, but I'm going to increase the cell padding next time. And you can see my table data, blue and black, are not aligned. So I'm going to align those now. So let's go back. And going to change the cell padding to 20, and then here where I've got my table data, I'm going to put a tag, an attribute align. Align equals center, and the same with this one. Align equals center. let's see how this looks now. So there we go. I've now got my basic table. You can see the cell padding's been increased to 20 because there's more space in between the table data and table headings with the grid, and the table data is now aligned with the table headers. Thank you for listening.